My hair is a mess. I need help. For those of you who can't be bothered to go to the salon and who want to save some coin, come with me and we will color our hair with this Liese product. Hey guys, my name is Annelle and welcome back to my channel. So it's really early in the morning and I'm trying to get as much done in the day as possible. So please don't mind my chinky eyes. I literally just woke up like 30 minutes ago, got ready and started filming. So anyway, enough about that. So today we will be going back to the roots of my very first video, which is a topic about hair. And you guys, it has been like around 5 months since that video when I tried to tone my brassy hair with purple shampoo, and obviously it did not do wonders on my hair. So today we will be finally doing something about this brassy hair. And you guys, this is so not cute anymore, and this is not looking presentable anymore. Basically, you guys, my hair is a mess. And to be honest, I'm not really too keen on going to the salon to get my hair done because number one, the situation, and number two, I'm trying to save some money and, you know, reallocate my arte hair expenses on other important things. So I decided to purchase a box of Liese to color my hair. So this is not my first time coloring my hair with Liese. I've actually tried their brown hair colors in the past, and since I had no allergic reactions to those, I decided to purchase another box, and this is from their design series with the new packaging. This is what it looks like. So I got it in the color Cool Ash because I like my hair looking brownish in a way, not like this, definitely not in this color. So yon. So let me just show you guys my current hair situation. Black inside, like black, yeah. There, and let me just turn around. So there, let's see if Liese can fix this hair of mine. And yeah, let's color my hair. So it just kind of started raining outside, so I'm sorry if it's gonna sound noisy, and I'm sorry if this lighting is really bad. This is not my usual lighting, but you know, the day is trying to mess with me and not get this video done, but nothing's gonna stop me from fixing my hair today. Anyway, let's unbox this Cool Ash Liese Creamy Bubble Hair Color. So there's a perforation up here. Okay. Okay. Again, this is not my first time trying out this brand, but it's my first time trying this color. So it has Solution 2. Solution 2 comes in this cap thingy. This is the treatment conditioner. This is an instruction manual with some gloves, and this is solution number 1. So let me just prepare all of these ingredients. Pagkain, magbe-bake. Let me just prepare all these solutions, and I will be changing into a black shirt as not to stain this blue top of mine. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. is what my hair looks like 30 minutes after. I'll be rinsing this off in a bit, but I just wanted to show you guys the instructions manual that it comes with. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, and so if you're looking for something more detailed on how to use the product, it's super detailed. It actually has pictures here and a step-by-step process on what to do, and it comes in, I think, 2 languages. Yeah, it's in English, and at the back it's in Chinese. So yun lang. I just wanted to show you guys that. And yeah, let's rinse my hair. The bubbles are gone. Yeah. Okay, so we're back. I just finished air drying my hair, and this is what it looks like right now. And while rinsing off the product, my hair was actually super soft when I was taking out the hair dye, and I also used the conditioner that came with the box afterwards and left it on for 3 minutes, and now my hair feels super soft, as in ang lambot talaga, parang nagpa-treatment, no joke. But it feels super smooth, and I think it's shiny. And here's the final outcome of using this Liese color in Cool Ash. I really like the color, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. Like, this color is so nice. It's not brassy, it's not annoyingly orange or yellowish. Well, at least for me, that's my personal preference. Yellowish orangey hair is not just my thing. The roots, well, it did quite a good job covering it up there, but it's not exactly the same color from the roots down here, but that's fine because kinda expected, because the bottom part was bleached hair already, and then the top part was like the new hair growing out in my original hair color, which is black, so understandable naman. And then I have a few white hair strands here, and well, it's not really that visible on camera, but the hair dye did not get all of those white strands, but you know, not that much of a problem. So I'll be showing you the back of my hair. There. So I feel like I'm not expecting naman like the insides to be fully covered. You know, you can still see some blackness right there, but it doesn't look as bad as it did earlier before coloring my hair. So here is the final look. I super love it. I love this tone. I really like it. I super love it. I love it. I love it. I love it for 449 pesos. I fixed my hair. I highly recommend that you guys try coloring your own hair at home as well if you want to save some coin like me. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what color you decided to try out. And yeah, I'm interested to know how it goes for you as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my hair transformation. So there, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!